Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever felt intimidated by statistics back in school or college? Thought it was just a super smart mathematicians? Well, I am here to tell you a secret. Statistics is actually your everyday superpower. It is behind almost every decision we make. From the news you watch to your favorite sports team strategy and even the stock market. Today, we are going to demystify it, not in a boring lecture, but in a fun, casual chat, all in about 10 minutes. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So, first thing first, what exactly is statistics? It is super simple. It's all about gathering information, which we call data, analyzing it, and then using that analysis to make smart decisions or understand the world around us better. Imagine you and your friends want to buy a new smartphone. You would probably collect information on 5 different phones, their prices, battery life, camera quality, right? That's data collection. Then you would process that information to decide which phone is best for you. That's the whole process of getting to a decision. That's statistics. That's the basic game. Now let's meet the three main heroes of this game. In statistics, there are three super basic, super important concepts. They are the mean, median, and mode. First up, the mean. This is what most of us know as the average. Imagine you have 10 friends and they have 5, 8, 10, and 15 chocolates. If you want everyone to have an equal share, what do? You add up all the chocolates, then divide the number of friends. The mean tells you if everything were distributed equally, how much would you have each person get? This is used to see cricketers' average score or your family's average monthly expense. Next, the median. There is a big difference between this and the mean. It's super simple. Imagine you have 11 people in your class. You line them all up according to their height or maybe their pocket money. Now, whoever is exactly in the middle, their value is the median. This means half of the people have less than them and half of the people have more than them. Big companies often use the median to understand the middle income because it is not skewed by one super rich person, unlike the mean. Finally, the mode. This is one of the most fun of the three. Mode simply means what appears most often. That's it. Imagine you own a shoe store. Which shoe size do most of your customers buy? Is it size 8? Then size 8 is the mode. A shop owner would use the mode to decide which shoe size to stock more of. Because what sells most often is what you should have more of, right? Now for a little homework for you. Let's see where these three simple concepts are used all around us. Media. When news channels predict who will win the elections or which movie was most watched this week, they are using statistical tools, especially the mode. Budgeting. Your family likely uses the mean to calculate your average monthly expenses and plan your budget. Medicine. When a new medicine is developed, they use statistics to figure out how many people it helps. That's statistics at work in saving lives. See, statistics is not about scary formulas and complex calculations. It is a super cool tool for logical thinking using numbers. I hope this video made statistics simple and clear for you. If you have any more questions about statistics, just drop them in the comment box. In the next video, we will explore some more exciting statistical concepts. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks and see you in the next time.